Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got this Theraworx. I've actually got other Theraworx ones here. I've got joint relief and muscle cramp and spasm. Just this stuff is just amazing, this brand. But this one here is for muscle cramps. And so this one here is really great. Like if I have my legs or something like that after working out, or if I have just walking or doing a lot, coming up some stairs and it's just hurting or something like that, I'm getting some cramps. Just one little spray of this stuff here on my hands, and it's good for like my whole legs. I can put it on, it works for probably both legs, even just one spray, and I can get it there. And my cramps, it takes a few minutes to start working, and cramps are gone. And I cannot recommend this stuff enough. This is just the best, and it's the Theraworx here. This is kind of some of the label for it, but pick some of this stuff up. You won't regret it. If you have multiple houses or something like that, put one at each place so you have it and have it ready to go. Keep them with the office if you keep cramps there. Just great stuff. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.